When shooting a video, everyone is striving to get quality video. Even when you live in a village or in a city, what your aim is to get quality video, but noise can stop that from happening. I have coiled that way to deal with noise in my environment, and I'm sharing this way with you, and I know when you follow these steps, your video will be elevated and you will get that quality video you are aiming for, even when you live in a noisy environment. Keep on watching and you will definitely learn something. Hello Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, vlogs and how-to videos. If it is the first time of seeing this face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. I will ask you to subscribe because in this channel we learn a whole lot here. Go through my videos and you will definitely learn something valuable. In today's video, I will be talking about how to shoot quality video in a noisy environment on your phone. So guys, the first way is to find a day that is less noisy, especially weekdays, because weekdays most people go to work, including 9 to 5ers and business people. They all go to work from Monday to Fridays. Most people rest from their job on Saturdays and Sundays. So find those weekdays, a day in that weekday. It could be on a Wednesday, it could be on a Tuesday. Maybe you'll be filming by, if you know you stay in a compound that everyone go to work from 8 to 9, 10, they'll be prepared. If they have children, they'll be prepared to take the children to school and they'll be prepared to go to their various jobs and businesses. So by that time they're preparing, you're also preparing, bringing out your gadgets and everything, taking your baits, prepping your clothes and everything you need to film a video. So before they are done, by 11-12 p.m. you've started filming your videos. And example, this is me. That's my situation right now. My compound is very noisy, so everybody in my compound, some are 9 to 5 and some are business people, and most of them, they go to work in the morning and they come back early evening or in the evening. Students come back around 3 p.m. mid-afternoon. So what I do is, in the morning when everybody's prepared, I get my gadgets ready, everything I want to use to film, and I start prepping. This is 10 a.m. in the morning and I am ready to film this video, and there is less noise. My compound, there's nobody there, just literally me in my house filming the video for you. You could pick a trick from this and apply it in your own situation. If there's people in your compound by this time, maybe you could film in the midnight when everybody's definitely asleep. Or if you're a 9 to 5er and you go to work in the morning, then I think the best time for you to film to be in the midnight when everybody's asleep and you are back from work and you've rested during the evening. So you wait during midnight, you film your video. And I'll also tell you that you should learn how to batch create content, because when you batch create content, you'll be able to have long video. Like today that I'm filming this video, I am planning to film extra 3 videos, including this, to make it 4 videos. That means when I batch create this content, I schedule all of them. For the month of May, I am not going to film, but you will definitely be seeing this video June. But I have batch created this content May. So that is it. I want you to pick something from this point and apply it to your own situation. Okay, so let's move to the next. Let's say you follow my advice on the first one to film on a less noisy day. My second point would be use editing app that has option for noise reduction. Let me explain. Start filming like this and editing, you use CapCut. Even after I finish filming, after editing, I'm also going to use that noise reduction option to reduce the noise. I'm sure you pick the point from this and apply it to your situation. So when you're filming next time, after editing and everything, make sure you download CapCut and use CapCut to reduce the noise in your videos. Let's move on to the next point. So guys, my third point will be film with a noise cancellation microphone. Right now, microphones are everywhere. There are different types of microphone, and every day new type of microphone comes out. Now, I have a video where I talked about filming gadgets under 10,000. Even in that video, I have a portion I talked about microphones. And that microphones, we have different type of microphones. We have the lapel microphone, we have the wireless microphone. I also talked about it in that video. Inside the picture right here, so you can go check out that video. Okay, when you're ordering for microphone, and even if you're on a tight budget, there's a microphone for you. So you can try all those microphones that just came out that you can clip in. It's a plate and go microphone. You just clip in into your phone and you hold the remaining, or you clip it to your clothes and you film your videos. Those kind of microphone cancels noise. I've been using mine for a very long time and it cancels noise very well. You can try it. I'll definitely insert a picture of the microphone I am talking about so you see what I'm talking about. And there are other types of microphones in the market that you can also try getting that reduce noise. When you're buying a microphone, make sure you ask for a noise cancellation microphone, because that particular microphone reduce noise. And there are some type that when you're filming, once you place the microphone towards your direction, it gets only the sound coming to that direction. The external sounds, it cancel those sounds. And all you have to do is to go online, check the microphone under your budget and get it. There are some microphones I got during my filming process that is not up to 10,000 naira. Even the ones I've been using and the one I'm using right now is not up to 10,000 naira. You can try getting them. Right now a cock is crowing. Yes, a cock is crowing, but you can't hear it in my video because I am using a noise cancellation microphone. Okay, let's move on to our last point. So guys, my last point is don't and stop overthinking the noise problem. There's nothing you can do about noise, and you cannot go chasing people around, stop them from making noise, or you cannot stop a cock from crowing in the morning, or people from putting on gen or doing what they have to. That is part of nature. If you keep on thinking about all these problems, it will discourage you from filming. I know that you don't want to use noise as an excuse not to film and create videos, please, and I don't want you to use that as an excuse not to film and create videos. And what works for me is that I film when everybody have gone to work, so I don't film during the weekend. I always film on a weekdays. Example, I am filming on a Friday morning, and I'm also using a noise cancellation microphone, and when I'm editing I use the noise reduction option, you see, and it's working for my video. If you follow from my step 1 to 3, definitely you will see change in your audio quality. Or if you have a friend that their place is quieter, or their house is quieter, or a studio, you can just move to that place and film your video. No matter how you try, there will always be noise one way or the other, but we just have to know how to curtail it with what we do. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. I know this video is helpful and it's value packed, so give me a huge thumbs up, give this video a like, so it will tell the algorithm this video is good to get to other people. And also don't forget to leave a comment. Any question you have and you don't understand and you want me to answer it, please don't forget to share this video so it can get to a lot of people and our community will be growing. Bye guys, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.